Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Toby. I'm a braider based in Kwara State, Nigeria, and in today's video I'm going to be taking you through the process of braiding my client's hair. So before I braid at all, I love to bake. So I just decided to drop a clip of me mixing and doing the whole baking process here. If you'd like to see an in-depth tutorial about how to bake cake without using oven or a mixer, just let me know in the comments and I will be sure to do that. So yeah, into the braiding process, I love to consult my clients first before I start making their hair at all. My client today would be doing medium knotless braids, bum length, and then before I start I consulted her because she's a new client. The consultation is basically asking about your hair journey, like if you have issues with your hair or anything. I just need to know about your hair just to make the braiding process easy so you don't go through pain or something. And then I go ahead to moisturize the scalp and the hair, and then I just massage their scalp using my scalp massager. It's an electronic scalp massager, by the way. The benefit of a scalp massage is just to circulate blood through your hair follicles to boost hair growth. It is also very relaxing and relieving. I'm going to drop a clip about the review because I usually carry out a review whenever I make my whenever I massage my client's scalp. So I'm going to drop the review so you can check it out. Hello, good morning. How are you? How did you feel about the scalp massage?
It was very relaxing and I felt like sleeping. I really enjoyed it.
Have you ever had a scalp massage before?
No.
Okay. So yeah, we are done with the scalp massage and we are back into the braiding process. I do have an assistant that makes work faster for me, and there she is in the blue shirt. We basically just work together. While I'm braiding the hair, she completes the ends of the hair, and then when she's done doing that, she just trims it, just to make work faster for both of us, and then our clients can go home early. So yeah, that's basically it. I'm just going on to part the hair and then go ahead to braid the hair down and just continue the process over and over and over again. So if you would like to see an in-depth tutorial, an in-depth knotless braids tutorial, just let me know in the comment section and I would surely do that. I didn't plan to film this video for YouTube when I was doing it, so, and then I didn't also get the camera angle because this angle is not really nice for tutorials, but I've been practicing to get the best angle and I've been able to figure it out. So yeah, now I can film tutorial videos. So if you like an in-depth knotless braids tutorial, just let me know and I'll be sure to do that. Also, this hair that we're using, we blended 3 different colors for it. That's why the color of the extension is looking quite different. I've also filmed that video and it's up on my channel, so if you would like to see it, I'm just going to drop a link in the description box, or I would add it at the end of this video on the screen, so when you are done watching this video you can just go check it out if you'd love to see it. So yeah, if you have watched to this point, it means that you are enjoying what you are watching, right? Like the video, hit the subscribe button, turn on post notifications so you'll be informed anytime I post a new video, and then put a comment down in the comment section. It helps grow the channel and I'll really love to hear from you. Keep watching. So when it comes to braiding, right, we all know how long it takes to braid your hair. Imagine sitting for 5, 4, 6 hours just to braid your hair and all that. So I usually like to think about my clients, so I love to serve them refreshments, just as I uploaded in the first part of this video where I was mixing the whole cake and all that. I usually love to serve my clients cake and fruit drink, and if you can check, if you see the table, you would see a candy jar there, just to make the whole process interesting, so my clients don't get tired and then we can talk through the whole process and then the process is not boring and then they are hungry and all that. So yeah, I don't know if you are in Nigeria or you are in like other parts of the country. Let me know in the comment section if your brother serves you like refreshments and you know all the good things like goodies and all that. I really, really want to know if I'm the only one doing it or there are like other people that think like me and they think about their clients as well. Just let me know in the comment section. So yeah, I am basically done with the hair. We are done trimming and look at how bright it still is outside. Like this is one of the benefits of having assistants. Like you work faster, you work smarter, you are not tired and all that stuff. Like having an assistant is just like the best of the best things for breeders. If you are working alone, like you're a lone breeder, since you are losing money. So yeah, I just put mousse on the hair and then I am using mousse for the edges. Listen, if you are still using edge control for your edges and it is not holding, like it's not doing nothing, try mousse. I've been using this forever. Like just like every fussy hair, I also have fussy hair and I've tried a whole lot of edge control and it doesn't work. But you see this mousse, damn, this mousse holds, like it can literally hold your life together. And look at the end product of this braids. I feel so excited that I did this. My clients enjoyed the process. I'm just going to let you see the review about what she feels about the hair. So how did you feel about the service?
It was very, very nice and fun, and I like the gist.
Kotsi Miriam.
And the massage, and yeah, massage, right?
Yes.
Thank you. And you're very, very friendly. Thank you, and I love my hair.
Oof.
I love it. I enjoyed the cake. I enjoyed the cake. I enjoyed everything, like every single thing. I enjoyed everything.
So what
And
did
you
you?
were very, very, very polite and very beautiful, man.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. What did you enjoy the most about the service?
That I could actually sleep. I was not picking the attachments myself. I was not picking it myself. So I could sleep. I could read on my phone. I could chat and yeah, and the cake. Very fluffy.
Okay. So on a scale of 1 to 10, what would you rate the service?
10.
Period.
10 over 10.
Thank you so much for coming. In fact, I've dropped mic. Thank you so much. I appreciate. So we have come to the end of this video. I really hope you enjoy it, and if you would love to see more of things like this, just let me know in the comment section and I will definitely make them. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and turn on post notification so you'll be informed when next I post another video. Till then, bye guys.